Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting video where we'll learn how to validate an API key using personal.ai. So, let's jump right into it. In the simplest terms, an API key is like a password for computer programs. It's a code that allows one software to talk to another. APIs power everything from your weather app to complex machine learning algorithms. But how does one software prove its identity to another? That's where an API key comes into play. Personal.ai is a fascinating platform that allows you to create a personalized AI experience. It has various features like storing memories and engaging in interactive conversations. For developers, personal.ai provides an API to integrate these functionalities into your own projects. Before you start making multiple API requests, it's a good idea to validate your API key. This will confirm that you have the correct permissions to access the features you intend to use, ensuring that your project runs smoothly. For this tutorial, we'll be using Python and the request library to make the API calls. If you haven't installed it yet, open your terminal and type pip install requests. Alright, let's get to the code. We'll keep it simple and straight to the point. First, let's import the necessary libraries. Import requests. Next, let's create a function that will validate our API key. This function will make a post request to the personal.ai API validation endpoint. Here we set the URL for the API validation endpoint. URL =. In this function we specify the API endpoint and include our API key in the headers of the request. We then check the status code of the response to determine if the API key is valid. To use this function, simply call it and pass in your API key as an argument with result =validate _API _key, your _API _key _ here. If result, print API key is valid, else, print API key is invalid. Replace your _API _key here with your actual personal AI API key. The function will return true if the API key is valid and false otherwise. Output. And that's it. A simple Python function to validate your personal.ai API key. Validating an API key is a crucial yet often overlooked step in many projects. I hope this video has shed some light on how simple it can be, especially with Python and personal.ai. If you found this content useful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials.